Hi, today I'm going to show you a very cool trick that you can use to make some bets. You will only need an empty bottle, a plastic ring that you can get from cutting the center of a lid, and a cigarette, just a filter. This is how it works. Take the plastic ring and put it right here over the bottle, then take the filter and put it right here. Okay. You can bet someone. I want you to put the filter inside the bottle without touching the filter or the bottle. You can only touch the plastic ring. How it works? Everyone's gonna try to hit the plastic right here, and this is what happens. Watch. The filter is gonna jump, and they won't be able to put the filter inside the bottle. Now, everyone is gonna do the same. The filter is gonna jump and they won't be able to do it, and you're gonna be the only one that is gonna be able to do it. Why? Because the trick is it's not it's not how fast you hit the plastic, it's where do you hit it. Because when you hit the plastic right here, you make the filter jump, because the plastic expands and make the filter jump, just like you saw before. But if you hit the plastic right here, that won't happen, and you will be able to put the filter inside the bottle. Watch. Very simple.